Put a potato in your indoor plants, and you'll never waste a plant again. Start by peeling a few potatoes. Potatoes are among the most commonly consumed vegetables. Typically, we use only their flesh, while the peels end up in the trash. This time, however, don't throw the peels away as usual. Potato skins are packed with nutrients like starch, potassium, and phosphorus, which you can easily put to use at home. Collect the peels and place them in a jar. Choose a container large enough to hold all the peels. Next, cover the scraps with water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Finally, seal the jar. If you don't have a lid, tightly wrap the top of the jar with aluminum foil. The potato mixture needs time to develop its benefits, so store it in the refrigerator for a week. During this time, the peels will release potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium into the water. After a week, strain the liquid into another container and discard the peels. They are no longer needed. And that's it. You now have a natural fertilizer, perfect for watering indoor plants, garden flowers, and vegetables. This water is an excellent source of minerals that will strengthen your plants, ensuring abundant blooms and healthy growth. It's a simple, eco-friendly way to transform potato peels into a nourishing elixir for your garden. Cover your plants with stockings. You'll save your plants. Look for old stockings or tights. If they're torn, don't throw them away anymore. Use them for your plants. If you have potted plants at home, you surely take care of them and nurture them. Household members and guests probably admire them. Even small children are interested in them. If you have a cat at home, you take special care of the plants. Cats love flower pots and the soil in them. When you have plants at home, you can avoid many problems and troubles thanks to stockings or tights. The flowers will be healthy, and you'll be able to take care of them and nurture them calmly. Take old tights. Even if they're torn, it doesn't matter. Place them on the plant. Measure the height. Take scissors and cut an appropriate piece of stocking. Put it on the flower pot. Do it from the bottom. A well-placed stocking should cover the soil. This will provide protection to the roots. Now, children or cats won't play with the soil in the flower pot. Such a cover will also ensure greater tidiness. Animals or children won't spill the soil from the flower pot anymore. The fertilizer your plants need. It works wonders. Gardeners don't want you to know about it. Regular fertilization in small doses provides plants with essential nutrients, supporting their growth and resistance to diseases. As a result, your plants will be stronger, with lush, vibrant leaves and flowers. Here's how to do it. First, prepare the solution by dissolving half a gram of glucose in 1 liter of water. Mix well until the fertilizer is fully dissolved. Then, take a syringe to help with precise dosing. Fill it with the solution and gently drop it directly under the plants. Be careful not to overdo it. Just a few drops under each plant will suffice. You can use this method once a week or whenever your plants need it. This way, you'll give your plants exactly what they need without the risk of over-fertilization. Apply this mixture to the leaves of your plants for astonishing results. Start with a whole garlic bulb, cut it in half, and extract the cloves. Garlic has antibacterial properties and acts as a repellent. Take a bottle and fill it halfway with water, then add the garlic cloves along with a small amount of vinegar to enhance the effectiveness of the mixture. Mix thoroughly and use this preparation to water the roots of your plants. This combination strengthens the root system, supporting their internal resistance. The natural antibacterial compounds penetrate the soil and reach the roots, reducing the risk of fungal diseases and promoting healthy growth. Pour the remaining liquid into a spray bottle for easy application. Spray the leaves and stems, as pests often hide in these areas. The mixture deters aphids and other small insects, and regular use helps keep your plants healthy. Apply it weekly or whenever you notice pests. Throw some matches into water. You'll be surprised by their amazing properties. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water into a container, then add a few matches. Gently stir the mixture, and soon you'll notice the water starting to change color. This means the sulfur is dissolving from the matches. Continue stirring for a few minutes until all the sulfur is dissolved. It may take a while. See how it should dissolve. Remove the matchsticks and use the water to water your plants. The sulfur acts as a natural fungicide, helping to fight mold and fungi, keeping your plants healthier. It also promotes root development, leading to stronger growth and better blooming. This inexpensive trick is genius. Your flowers will reward you with vibrant growth. Give it a try and watch your plants thrive like never before. This screw will water your plants. This trick will make your plants water themselves. Take a screw or a nail, the largest one you have. You'll also need an empty bottle and some string. Wrap the string around the screw, leaving about 3 centimeters free at the bottom. Cut about 50 centimeters of string and attach its other end to the screw's cap. Your irrigation system is now ready. Let me show you how it works. First, immerse the setup in water by dropping it into a glass of water for a few minutes. Then, fill the bottle with water and drop the cap with the attached string into it. The weight of the cap will make it sink to the bottom. Now place the nail into the pot with your chosen plant. The irrigation system is now in place, ready to water your plants when you don't have the time or when you're away from home. If you're going away and no one will be there to water your plants, place the setup in a larger bottle, or even better, a bowl. This will work perfectly during your absence. Thanks to this trick, your plants will never dry out and will continue to thrive beautifully. Just a handful is enough, and your flowers will bloom like crazy. They will be covered in blossoms and fill your entire balcony. Every pest will be avoided. See how to make a homemade fertilizer that works wonders. Pour a handful of rice into a glass. Rice is rich in silicon, iron, and phosphorus, which are essential for plants to bloom. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and mix thoroughly. To the resulting paste, add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Finally, pour the liquid into a spray bottle using a funnel. Your homemade spray is ready to use. Remember to shake the bottle well before each use and spray it on your flowers. This treatment provides essential nutrients to the plants and creates a protective barrier against pests. Your flowers will look beautiful and healthy thanks to this natural fertilizer. This potato will make your flowers grow like crazy. Check out this simple way to make a homemade fertilizer that will have your plants blooming like never before. You'll make it using ingredients you already have at home. First, grab a potato and cut it in half. Then, peel each half. Next, grate the potato halves. Once grated, place the potatoes into a blender. Add 5 cloves and a liter of water. Blend everything thoroughly until you get a smooth mixture. Then, strain the mixture through a fine sieve to remove any solid pieces. Pour the liquid into a bottle with a spout to make watering easier. Now, just water the soil around your flowers with this natural fertilizer. Regular use of this elixir will provide your plants with all the essential nutrients they need. You'll soon see them growing and blooming faster than ever.